Dr. Huebner, I am here today to show off some scar work here. So as you can see, this nice gentleman had a procedure here about maybe almost 2 weeks ago. So he just goes back here today to get his sutures out. And you can see that he's able to hide it in the back. And he's been wearing hats. And we're actually going to buzz it all down today because he's just going to start fresh. But I wanted to show the scar, before we shave it and then after. So this is kind of what a typical scar here would look like. It's a thin little line. We literally just took the sutures out about 5 minutes ago. And this is what it looks like. And he's been doing a really great job in terms of hiding this. And this makes it even, this is a really fair representation because this is a man that had FUE at a prior procedure. So he has even less density to kind of hide the scar. So it really is the true representation of what the scar looks like in terms of how thin it is. And he did a really great job. He's a great healer. But it almost just looks like a crease in the hair if you were just to part the hair. A little speck of blood there, just one little dot. And again, that's pretty typical when you take out a stitch right away. It's already stopped. So, and he's able to, again, hide it here. So we're going to shave his head, and then we'll do another look at the scar. Okay, so we've just completed our shaving, and I wanted to show you some of the scars. So he has a couple types of scars on here. So he had a prior FUT and a prior FUE prior to seeing me. So you can see that this line here is still a very good FUT scar. That's from the other clinic that he went to. And there, I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with that scar. I think they did a good job. But I wanted to kind of compare and contrast with mine. Now this is just taking, I've had the stitches out, just took them out. And you can see, again, it's a little bit red because we just took the sutures out. That will fade in a couple days. Tiny little pencil line. I think my scar is going to actually win in terms of the thinness of it. But this will limit him to his hair being about maybe a 2 to 3 guard. Maybe a 3 guard is where he needs to be. And he's also had FUE, and you can see the FUE scars. If you zoom in, you can see those little spots kind of all throughout his donor. And just wanted to kind of show off the scar. So thank you for showing this for us, and we'll be following your progress as you go forward.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.